Today we're going to make 2 large artichokes inside in the Ninja Foodi. We're going to trim the tops off and trim the bottom to the 1-inch mark. You pour 2 cups of water in the bottom. You can go ahead and use your steamer rack, or you can go ahead and put them in there just by themselves. Drip of olive oil on top. Just a sprinkle of sea salt on top. You take your steamer lid, put it on. You go ahead and leave the vent open because we're not doing pressure cooking here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and select steam, and we're gonna go ahead and do it for 30 minutes. You press start, and you are ready to go. It's gonna go ahead and preheat. Once it preheats and gets the steam ready, then it will go ahead and cook and beep when it's done. It's finished. You go ahead and take off your steam, pull out your beautifully steamed artichokes.